Ever taken a photo and later wished you hadn't cropped it so tight? With iOS 27's new Extend tool, you can bring it back and reshape it the way you want in seconds. First, keep in mind that this feature only works on iPhone 15, 16, 17 Pro, Pro Max models with iOS 27 update. Now, open the Photos app and select the photo you want to expand. Tap Edit, then choose the Tool option. You'll see 3 options here. Select Extend. Now pinch to zoom out and adjust the frame to show more of the image. Once you have it positioned the way you want, tap Extend at the bottom. Your iPhone will begin generating the expanded area, so give it a few moments to finish. In just a few seconds, you'll see the image expanded naturally, with the new areas blending seamlessly into the original photo. If you're happy with the result, tap the check mark. Then tap Done to save your changes. And there you go. Your photo now has a wider frame and looks even more natural and complete than before. And that's it. Hope this helped. Thanks for your time.